responsible and takes initiative. That's why he is the class representative.
Sweet as sugar and cool as ice. Presentation skill is nice and has a melodious voice. Has got this craft of being pretty smart in the work of art. जानते हैं हर एक ब्रांड की कहानी, किसी के लिए मिस्टर बच्चन है तो किसी के लिए मिस्टर बिनानी। Complexion is fair, the talent is rare. In an event management, if there is any query, then there is always Anurag Puri. He is the hunk, plays basketball and favorite shot is dunk. महाभारत देखने के बाद बदल गए हैं इनके विचार, इनसे मिलिए, ये हैं द रॉक पचार। A born leader, an avid reader, has interest in marketing research. Now, with Arnav sir as a mentor, she could not have asked for much. Being the most hardworking at home, she means sense. Working on the path of perfection, she is in pursuit of excellence. सिंगर बेमिसाल है, तभी तो ट्विटर के फॉलोअर्स लिस्ट में श्रेया घोषाल है। Photography is his passion. The interest lies in the work of animation. Attitude is a forte. Forte is her attitude. She is assertive, neither aggressive nor rude. Hot and handsome, always smiles. Most sincere among us, this quality will take him miles. Her actions and words contain immense pride. For her, life is sporting and jovial. The whole journey is a fun ride. Being aware of his limitations is his biggest talent. Has a bright future ahead and there is no reason to lament. In classroom, she sits in the front row. Doubts shot to the faculties are quick and straight as an arrow. Believes in whatever he does, never trust any rumor, is good in mimicry and has a great sense of humor. His pen is his might. When it comes to words, there is no fight. If there is any eminent language fear, don't you worry, Saket is dear. He never ceases to learn. In life, there is nothing bigger than this to earn. Takes less time to gel, carries herself pretty well. Has set a definite plan, hopefully, that will be achieved in LN. एडकॉम गैलेक्सी के एक तेज प्रकाश, भविष्य में इनके कदम चूमेंगे आकाश। ग्राफिक्स डिजाइनिंग एंड एडिटिंग में है ये बिंदास, नाम है इनका सोनू विश्वास। Even in darkness, he has got this ability to visualize a ray of light. Some way or other, he is an all-round artist in his own right. Whenever he takes a shot, he hits the jackpot on the spot. Casual and cool, never ever underestimate him. You will be a big fool. Perhaps the most talented ad comer of her batch. Hopes he continues this purple patch.